Hello and welcome. Today we'll learn how to update an asset using the Asset Management module. We'll click on the asset list and click on the Update Asset button without selecting an asset. The module will provide a pop-up suggesting you select an asset first as shown. We'll then select the asset, HP laptop, from the list and click on the Update Asset button to open the Asset Update form. Once inside the form, we'll make changes to the asset name and move further. The asterisk marked fields are mandatory fields. We'll change the category from IT asset to plant and machinery, and change the location of the asset from central warehouse to China manufacturing unit. From the status drop-down we'll keep using the status as in use and move on to filling in the additional information. Here, we'll keep using the condition as good and the brand as HP. We can update the model as shown and move forward to purchase information without changing any other information. In this section, we can change the vendor from the drop-down, change the PO number, invoice date, invoice number, purchase date, and purchase price. We'll turn the self or partner-owned toggle on, in case if the asset is owned by a partner or customer. Upon turning it on, we get a drop-down to select a partner from the drop-down. In the financial information section, we can change the capitalization price, end of life, capitalization date, depreciation percentage, and accumulated. For now, we'll change the income tax depreciation percentage and move forward. In the allotted information, we can change the allotment information as per our requirements. For this asset update, we'll keep the original details intact. In the warranty information, we'll select an AMC vendor, warranty vendor, insurance start date, insurance end date, AMC end date, warranty end date, AMC start date, and warranty start date. We'll then update the recently modified information and navigate back to the asset list. In case of multiple assets, we'll check boxes of multiple assets and move to the Update Asset button. Here we'll get a worksheet-style update form with rows and columns of information. In this form, we can move to the Select Specific field to put up a filter on the data being viewed in the form as shown here. Once the filters are selected, you'll see the filtered data being displayed in the worksheet as represented here. Using the top left 3 buttons, we can download the data in an Excel format, bulk upload multiple asset data, and using the Info button we can download a reference file for looking up values. That is all for the video on how to update an asset. See you in the next one.